The quad rolling routine. Using your foam roller on the ground, use 3 points of contact to support your body through your elbows and your opposite knee. Now straighten out your leg and roll up and down along the front and side of your leg, picking out particular tender, knotted points to roll over and break down. Focus on one point for quite a bit of time, or roll up and down the entire length of the muscle. You can roll both legs at once, twisting the feet in and out to target different muscle areas, or you can stack the legs to increase the weight down through one leg. To target the outside of the leg a little bit more, where lots of knots sit on the quad, turn your body to the side, supporting yourself on your elbow and your opposite foot. Rolling up and down over the knots again to smooth them out. To increase the weight, you can stack the legs further,